In this video, I break down Sora, the text-to-video AI model, in under 5 minutes. Hello and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. I took a little break, but now I'm back. New studio, new year, and lots of new content. And at the very top of my list is Sora 2, the text-to-video model created by OpenAI. So let's go. Here's Sora in 5 minutes or less. 1. Sora was released in 2024. Sora 1 was released in December of 2024. And Sora 2, which has significant improvements over the first version, was released in September of 2025. 2. Sora is an app. It's available for free for iPhone or Android in the App Store, and it also comes in a desktop version. 3. Sora is like a social media platform. Yep, it's like TikTok or Instagram. It has the same like and comment icons, and just like your other social media apps, you can create a profile, follow others, and you've got a For You timeline that you can scroll through. Lastly, you can post your Sora AI videos and they'll appear on your profile. 4. On Sora, you can create videos by simply describing them. To do this, just type what you want the video to be right here. The little wheel in the lower right spins and Sora works its magic. And when it's done, you've got cats using Adobe Premiere Pro. Then you can share it, save it as a draft, or download it with a Sora watermark on it. That being said, you should know that there exists software to remove the watermark. So just because it doesn't say Sora doesn't mean it's not AI. 5. Sora lets you place yourself in any video. To do this, Sora has you upload your likeness. You can choose to keep your image private for your own use, or you can make it available for anyone to use. And you can ask it to put you in any scenario. And it spits out a video with you in it doing just about anything you want. So, for example, here's everyone's favorite vlogger, Casey Neistat. Check out his channel if you don't know it. Here he is as a 1970s F1 race car driver winning a race. And here he is on the yellow brick road in The Wizard of Oz. And here he is as the Godfather, making an offer nobody can refuse. Personally, this feature of Sora is an offer I can refuse, because the last thing I need is my likeness doing things that I didn't do, if you know what I mean. That being said, Sora says that if your likeness is used in a way that you're not comfortable with, you can remove it from the platform. Fortunately, cats don't really care, so my video is good to go. Oops, the cats say time's up. So that's it, folks. If you have a Sora or if you end up creating one, leave your handle in the comments so that we can all check out your AI videos. And importantly, remember to use Sora AI responsibly. Be discerning when watching any content out there, and remember, it's our humanity and the human connections that we share that make truly great films. But every once in a while, it's fun to play. If you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.